Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Eke, your favorite producer. So in this video, we're going straight to the point, no beating around the bush. Yeah, do you know you don't need expensive VSTs to make fire Afrobeats? Here are some, stock plugins that can help you make top-notch Afrobeat banger. Understand? No cap. Now in this video, I'll be letting you know the usefulness of stock plugins in this FL Studio DAW that you see always. One thing I know about producers, especially upcoming producers like me, we don't believe in the stock plugins in the FL Studio. We believe we need to get money to start buying plugins from people outside, and you know how expensive this plugin is on websites, or even if you want to get it from someone like a producer like you know how much you are going to be charged. Now I can tell you that you can do away with these plugins and use the plugins on FL Studio. That's the stock plugins. The stock plugins are the plugins that are inbuilt, that are built in the FL Studio DAW. They are already there. Nice sounds that you can use. There's no sound you want to look for, you will see it here on FL Studio, and you will make your top-notch sound on FL Studio like other producer does. Now in this video, the first plugin we'll be talking about here now, in order not to waste time. I already listed everything here. The first plugin we'll be looking at is the Morphine plugin. So in this plugin, this is a top-notch plugin where you can find a lot of sound. In this plugin, you have your bass sound. Sorry, before I continue, I will not be playing this sound. I will just let you know what you can use these plugins for, and in my next video I'll be making a complete video on how to make beats with this top plugin. Now we have the bass sound, acoustic bass sound, we have brass sound here, we have the keyboard sound for your Afrobeat songs, we have the lead, we have everything you want here, the strings, the SFX, synthetic sound, any sound you want, you see it here. Pick up your laptop, go to FL Studio, check this plugin, and go through the sounds, and you see that these sounds are great. Now another one, this is very popular, and this is the Sytrus. This Sytrus, or some people call it Sytrus, I don't know, but I know it is Sytrus. Now this is a very popular plugin among upcoming producers, and if you're a lover of synth, you like playing synth, I will recommend this for you. So Sytrus is very underrated. It's got some gems for plugs and mallets, which are very essential for Afro melodies. So when you look for presets, other parts, plugs to get highlight vibe, you will know what I'm talking about. And this is a plugin that is fully packed, and you have a lot of sound in it. You can take your time as a producer to check for the sound you want. Are we talking about the synths? Are we talking about the parts? Are we talking about the plugs? Are we talking about the bass? Even sound that will take you to trance. Yeah, you need the Sytrus. So when we are talking about dope plugins, I'll recommend this for you. So another plugin I'll be talking about is the Fruity DX10. So this is what the plugin looks like. Now, if I feel some people might have issue looking for this inbuilt plugin, especially these ones that are just starting, this one that are using FL Studio for the first time. When you want to look for your inbuilt plugin, just come to the channel rack. This is the channel rack. Yeah, come here, you hit it, then click your plus sign. When you click your plus sign, you have the plugins I'm talking about. For log drum lovers, this DX10 is for you. You can find your log drum here, because I can tell you one secret. Most reason why people use this plugin is because of the log drum, and everybody wants to use your log drum. Now you have knobs here that you can use in tuning your log drum. You understand? So this is where you can get your log drum sound. You play your log drum, tune it to anyhow you like. Now another plugin we're talking about, I call this plugin the Baba, and this plugin is the Flex plugin. This plugin is packed with lovely sound. When you talk about Flex, you're talking about top plugin. This Flex can stand with even the external plugin you want to get. So Flex is packed with usable sound, from lush pad to plucky guitars for Afrobeat producers. You see essential guitars, it's like top-notch sound. Even if you are a gospel producer, I would recommend flex for you. When you talk about strings, when you talk about flutes, when you talk about violin, when you talk about parts also, you need to say one part, like most especially now. The best thing on how to use your flex plugin in order not to get lost, just click your all. When you click your all, you get your sound in alphabetical order, so you can just start looking for the sounds easily and you get them. Now a lot of sounds, you have to take your time to check for the one you want, and as a producer, always take your time to look for sound. Now this one part I was talking about earlier is a lovely sound, and just try it. You know what I'm talking about. Use it to play your chord, like nice strings. And the last sound I'll be talking about today is Armless. Yeah, this is the last plugin I'll be talking about today. I'm doing this plugin review just for you to know that yes, FL Studio is packed. Now, this Armless, the main reason why I use this Armless is because of the bass. One bass there, and which is the bass sub. I love this bass sub so much. I use it in playing my bass line, and you understand. So we have other top sounds on it. We have, let me tell you one secret about this Armless. You can leave this side, and just come straight to this place. This is where you get the real sounds. You understand? You have your bass. You choose any bass you want. You have your FX. You have your lead sound. You have lead organ. You have the lead flute. This sound is especially exactly like flute. You have your pad. You have your plucks also. That these are things that you can use in supporting your sound under, like you pan them and make them sound great. You understand? If you want the lead guitar also, everything is here. So this is where I'm stopping today, and next time you open your FL Studio, don't sleep on these top plugins. They can help you make industry level Afrobeats without spending a dime. So like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will show you how to flip a full beat using only this set of plugins next week. So subscribe and don't miss out, and stay safe.